We're at the trailhead of the Clinton Township Open Space Trailhead on Nassau. This path goes both south towards Foreign Park and north towards Cokesbury. There's trails on both sides, but it's only marked on the one side. Look for the white blaze. It's a nice meandering trail that goes along the brook. The stream noise is so loud that you won't hear any cars, and it's great for families. If you're a 100% city slicker, you might avoid it on wet days because the traction is slippery in some spots. But all in all, it's very pleasurable. You can go for anywhere from 20 minutes up to 60 minutes if you're doing a there and back. Parking is limited, but there are a few spots. At the trailhead itself, there's a spot for 3 or 4 cars, but it is often closed by the police. Come enjoy the open space of Clinton Township and see what it has to offer.